ما د هغې ډیره بېعزتي وکړه. I insulted her a lot. I insulted her a lot. دې وخت کې هغه ډیر غوسه دی. He is angry at this time. He is angry at this time. ما ستا आवाज ونه پیژندلو. I did not recognize your voice. I did not recognize your voice. دا ستا مخکینی عادت دی. It is your old habit. It is your old habit. دا بهر گزار کړه. Throw it outside. Throw it outside. ما د هغې تربیت کړی. I did her upbringing. زه تا ته یو قصه کوم. Let me tell you a story. Let me tell you a story. خپله لاړ شه او وګوره. Go and see yourself. Go and see yourself. که هغې ستا خبره ونه منله نو بیا. What if he doesn't obey you? What if he doesn't obey you? زه دلته ډیر په امید سره راغلی یم. I have come here with a lots of hope. I have come here with a lots of hope. ته به یې زده کړې. You will learn. You will learn. واده به کله کوې؟ When will you get married? When will you get married? ډیر ښه. Well done. Well done. ته به واپس کله راځې؟ When are you coming back? When are you coming back? مونږ به کله ورسیږو؟ When will we arrive? When will we arrive? تا خو زه حیران کړم. You amazed me. You amazed me. جګړه مه کوه. Don't make a quarrel. Don't make a quarrel. زه هغې ته دوکه نشم ورکولی. I can't cheat her. I can't cheat her. زما په سر چکر راځي. I'm feeling giddy. I'm feeling giddy. ما تا سره څه بد کړي؟ What wrong have I done to you? What wrong have I done to you? وخت څومره بدل شوی دی. How changed the time is. How changed the time is. تا ته شرم پکار دی. You must be ashamed. You must be ashamed. مونږ به د هغې په حرکت باندې نظر ساتو. We will keep a waggle his activity. We will keep a waggle his activity. هلته تلل صحیح نه دي. It is not worthwhile going there. It is not worthwhile going there. ما ته د پیسو سخت ضرورت دی. I am in a dire need of money. I am in a dire need of money. الله ته پته ده چې هغه څوک دی. God knows who he is. God knows who he is. کاش چې زه هلته وی. I wish I were there. I wish I were there. ټوله غلطي ستا وه. It's all your fault. It's all your fault. داسې سوچ هم مه کوه. Don't think even so. Don't think even so. زما وزن ډیر زیات شوی. I have put a lot of weight. I have put a lot of weight. ته څه ګورې؟ What are you looking for? What are you looking for? آیا ته د 3 کالو نه کار کوې؟ Have you been working for 3 years? Have you been working for 3 years? هغې څه هم نه دي کړي. He did nothing. He did nothing. په دیوال لیکل مه کوه. Don't write on the wall. Don't write on the wall. په سړیتوب خبرې کوه. Talk with manners. Talk with manners. داسې حرکتونه مه کوه. Don't do such activities. Don't do such activities. دا زما لپاره ډیره غټه خبره ده. It is a big deal for me. It is a big deal for me. ما ته ستا د همدردۍ ضرورت نشته. I don't need your sympathy. I don't need your sympathy. ما ته غوسه مه راوله. Don't make me angry. Don't make me angry. ستاسو کور څومره لرې دی؟ How far is your home? How far is your home? زه د چا نه تپوس وکړم؟ Whom do I ask? Whom do I ask? ته چا سره ملاویږي؟ Whom do you want to meet? Whom do you want to meet? آیا ته لږ انتظار کولی شي؟ Can you wait for a few minutes? Can you wait for a few minutes? دا د خوشحالۍ اوښکې دي. These are tears of joy. These are tears of joy. ما ته د پیسو مسله ده. I have financial problems. I have financial problems. هغه د خپل عادت نه مجبوره دی. He is compelled by his habit. He is compelled by his habit. د هر څه یو حد وي. There is a limit to everything. There is a limit to everything. تا سره چې ملاو شوم ډیر خوشاله شوم. Pleased to meet you. Pleased to meet you. دا دومره خراب نه دی. That's not that bad. That's not that bad. هغوی هلته دي. They are right there. They are right there. دا بالکل ناانصافي ده. It's totally uneven. It's totally uneven. بالکل صحیح ده. زه معافي غواړم. All right. I'm sorry. All right. I'm sorry. د دې فکر مه کوه. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. زما شیمپو ختم شوه. I ran out of my shampoo. I ran out of my shampoo. لږ احتیاط سره گاڑی چلاوه. Just drive carefully. Just drive carefully. دا عام رواج دی. It's common practice. It's common practice. صحیح دا سترګې کولاو کړه. Okay, open your eyes. Okay, open your eyes. کله چې زه د لسو کالو وم. Since I was like 10. Since I was like 10. دا کله وشو. When did this happen? When did this happen? تبا صحیح شي. You are gonna be fine. You are gonna be fine. پاگل مه جوړېږه. Don't get hysterical. Don't get hysterical. ته یو ښه ملګری یې. You are a good friend. You are a good friend. ما ته داسې ویل نه و پکار. I should not have said that. I should not have said that. زه به تا ډېر یادوم. I'm gonna miss you so much. I'm gonna miss you so much. دا زما دپاره مناسب نه دی. It's not appropriate for me. It's not appropriate for me. ستا خیال به څوک ساتي. Who's gonna look after you? Who's gonna look after you? ته د چا باره کې خبره کوي. What are you talking about? What are you talking about? ډیر مطلبی. How mean? How mean? د څه دپاره. What for? What for? دلته څنګه راغلی. What brings you here? What brings you here? ولې نه. Yes, why not? Yes, why not? د چا دپاره. For whom? For whom? رښتیا. Really? Really? اوس نه. Not yet. Not yet. څوک وایي. Says who? Says who? چا سره. With whom? With whom? څه ټایم دی؟ What time is it? What time is it? زه راضي یم یا زه متفق یم. I agree. I agree. آیا ستا کار وشو؟ Are you done? Are you done? زه خوشحاله شوم. It's my pleasure. It's my pleasure. څه خبره نشته. That's all right. That's all right. زه په لاره یم. I'm on the way. I'm on the way. مهرباني وکړه خاموش شه. Please keep quiet. Please keep quiet. د خبرې نه مخکې سوچ کوه. Think before you speak. Think before you speak. زما د سترګو نه فنا شه. Get out of my sight. Get out of my sight. ستا څه مطلب دی؟ What do you mean? What do you mean? مونږ دواړه یو بل خوښوو. We both like each other. We both like each other. زر راځه. Come quickly. Come quickly. زه نن ډېر ستړی یم. I am dead tired today. I am dead tired today. ما ته پته نشته. I don't know. I don't know. زه صرف دومره غواړم چې تا ته پته ولګي. But I just want you to know. But I just want you to know. څه هم کېدی شي. You never know. You never know. زه ستا لپاره څه کولی شم. What can I do for you? What can I do for you? دا صحیح نه دی. This is not fair. This is not fair. عجیبه خبره ده. It's strange. It's strange. بهر وګوره چې څوک دی. Look who outside. Look who outside. ما هغه چرته ولیدو. I saw him somewhere. I saw him somewhere. رستو ملاویگو. See you later. See you later. اوس با سکیگی. What happens now? What happens now? فکر مکوا. Don't worry. Don't worry. بالکل. Of course. Of course. زه تږی یم. I am thirsty. I am thirsty. زه وږی یم. I am hungry. I am hungry. ته شیطان یې. You are devil. You are devil. ما ته ضرورت نشته. I don't need. I don't need. زما د طرف نه. On my part. On my part. زر کوا. Hurry up. Hurry up. ما هغه پیدا کړو. I found it. I found it. آیا ته پریشان یې؟ Are you worried? Are you worried? څه مصیبت دی؟ What a mess. What a mess. مزې کوا. Enjoy yourself. Enjoy yourself. اوس ولې نه؟ Why not now? Why not now? آیا ته سحر کې ورزش کوې؟ Do you exercise in the morning? Do you exercise in the morning? ته چېرته پیدا شوی یې؟ Where are you born? ته کومه لوبه کولی شې؟ What sports can you play? What sports can you play? آیا ته د انجکشن نه یریږې؟ Do you afraid of injection? Do you afraid of injection? ته څه کوې؟ What do you do? What do you do? ستا څه سره شوق دی؟ What is your hobby? What is your hobby? ته په څو ژبو کې خبرې کولی شې؟ How many languages do you speak? How many languages do you speak? نن موسم څنګه دی؟ How is the weather today? How is the weather today? آیا ته پخلی کولی شي؟ Can you cook? Can you cook? نن به څه کوې؟ What are you going to do today? What are you going to do today? اوس څه کوې؟ What are you doing now? What are you doing now? آیا ته ستړی یې؟ Are you tired? Are you tired? ته ما خوښوې یا نه؟ Do you like me or not? Do you like me or not? آیا ته وږی یې؟ Are you hungry? Are you hungry? آیا ته مخکې دا کله خوړلی دي؟ Have you ever eaten it before? Have you ever eaten it before? په دې څومره وخت لګي؟ How long does it take? How long does it take? آیا تا دا د خپل ځان دپاره اخیستی؟ Did you buy it for yourself? Did you buy it for yourself? آیا ته مالدار یې؟ Are you rich? Are you rich? د انګلیش د زده کولو دپاره ښه طریقه کومه ده؟ What is the best way to learn English? What is the best way to learn English? زه تا سره خبرې کوم. I'm talking to you. I'm talking to you. هغه څه کوي؟ What is he doing? What is he doing? هغه چای څښي. She is having tea. She is having tea. مور دې څنګه ده؟ How is your mother? How is your mother? ما ته ستا د واتس اپ نمبر راکړه. Let me your WhatsApp number. Let me your WhatsApp number. زه واتس اپ نه استعمالوم. I don't use WhatsApp. I don't use WhatsApp. آیا هغه دلته کار کوي؟ Does he work here? Does he work here? هغه صرف گپ لګوي. He is just kidding. He is just kidding. ما دا ستا دپاره جوړ کړی دی. I made it for you. I made it for you. نه داسې مه کوه. No, don't do that. No, don't do that. هغوی ډیر ښه دي. They are very nice. They are very nice. او ستا څه حال دی؟ And what about you? And what about you? هر ځل یې چې ته ګورې. Every time you look. Every time you look. هغه به ښه شي. He is gonna be okay. He is gonna be okay. تا هغې ته دوکه ورکړه. You cheated on him. You cheated on him. ګاډي نه بهر وځه. Get out of the car. Get out of the car. زه لږ ستړی یم. I'm a little out. I'm a little out. تا ته څه مشکلات دي؟ What are your odds? What are your odds? د هغې خبره مه اوره. Don't listen to him. Don't listen to him. آیا زه بوډا ښکارم؟ Do I look old? Do I look old? دا ډیر زیات دی. It is too much. It is too much. ما د همیشه دپاره هیر کړه. Forget me forever. Forget me forever. زه اوس مصروف یم. I'm busy now. I'm busy now. دا چاقو ډیر تیره دی. This knife is very sharp. This knife is very sharp. د کور نه بهر مه وځه. Don't go out of the house. Don't go out of the house. ما هغه په خپلو سترګو ولیدو. I saw it with my own eyes. I saw it with my own eyes. آیا ته به په ما یو احسان وکړې؟ Will you do me a favor? Will you do me a favor? ته چې هر چرته لاړ شي خو زه تا نه پرېږدم. I will not spare you wherever you go. I will not spare you wherever you go. آیا علی کور ته رسیدلی دی؟ Has Ali arrived at home? Has Ali arrived at home? نه هغه تر اوسه کور ته نه دی رسیدلی. No, he hasn't reached home yet. No, he hasn't reached home yet. دا ستا ذمہواری ده. It is your responsibility. It is your responsibility. هغه زمانه 2 کاله مشر دی. He is 2 years older than me. He is 2 years older than me. یو ورځ به هر څه صحیح شي. One day everything will be fine. One day everything will be fine. زه څنګه ښکارم؟ How do I look? How do I look? آیا ته زما आवाज اوري؟ Can you hear me? Can you hear me? زه تا ته دروغ نه وایم. I'm not lying to you. I'm not lying to you. زه څه وکړم؟ What shall I do? What shall I do? زما په خیال تا ته پکار دی چې ډاکټر ته لاړ شي. I think you should go to the doctor. I think you should go to the doctor. زه دا نشم کولی. I can't do it. I can't do it. ته بالکل بدل شوی یې. You have completely changed. You have completely changed. ته ولې خفه یې؟ Why are you angry with me? Why are you angry with me? دا زما غلطی نه وه. It was not my fault. It was not my fault. هغه ستا په شانتې ښکاري. He looks like you. He looks like you. ته به زما مرسته یا مدد وکړې که نه؟ Will you help me or not? Will you help me or not? ته ما ته ویلی شي. You can tell me. You can tell me. ما هغه ته وویل. I told him. I told him. تا ما ته دروغ وویل. You lied to me. You lied to me. زه تا پیژنم. I know you. I know you. هغه پخلی کوي. She is cooking. She is cooking. دا زما رایه ده یا دا زما مشوره ده. It's my opinion. It's my opinion. دا ډیر ګرم دی. It is too hot. It is too hot. خیر دی ما معاف کړه یا ما ته بخښنه وکړه. Please forgive me. Please forgive me. اوبه ګرمې کړه. Heat the water. Heat the water. آیا دلته څوک شته؟ Is anybody here? Is anybody here? ما واده نه دی کړی. I'm not married. I'm not married. آیا ته ما پیژنې؟ Do you know me? Do you know me? ما مه مجبوروه. Don't force me. Don't force me. ما یوازې پرېږده. Let me alone. Let me alone. زر کور ته لاړ شه. Go home early. Go home early. زه لږ مصروفه یم. I'm a little busy. I'm a little busy. کله نا کله. From time to time. From time to time. دا ډیر ورکوټی دی. It's too small. It's too small. ما دا غوښتل. This what I wanted. This what I wanted. آیا ته ناروغ یې؟ Are you ill? Are you ill? دا څنګه وشو؟ How did this happen? How did this happen? ته څه سوچ کوې؟ What do you think? What do you think? بهر ته وګوره. Look outside. Look outside. آیا زه دلته کېناستی شم؟ May I sit here? May I sit here? تر اوسه څوک هم رانغلل. No one come yet. No one come yet. اوس نه وروسته. Not now, late. Not now, late. په وخت راشه. Come on time. Come on time. غوسه کېږه مه. Don't be angry. Don't be angry. آیا ته هلته یې؟ Are you there? Are you there? په ما شک مه کوه. Don't doubt me. Don't doubt me. ما ته پته نشته. I don't know. I don't know. په ناسته اوبه وڅښه. Drink water while sitting. Drink water while sitting. ډېرې خبرې مه کوه. Don't talk too much. Don't talk too much. زما په سترګو کې وګوره. Look at my eyes. Look at my eyes. زه هغه نشم پرېښودلی. I cannot leave it. I cannot leave it. زما په ذهن کې یو خیال راغی. I had an idea in my head. I had an idea in my head. تیره هفته زما تبه وه. I had a fever last week. I had a fever last week. ما سره پیسې نه وې. I had no money. I had no money. هغه ډېره خفه ښکاري. She looked very upset. She looked very upset. زه هغه نه پیژنم. I don't recognize him. I don't recognize him. هغه معاف کړه. Forgive him. Forgive him. زه به همیشه تا سره یم. I will be with you forever. I will be with you forever. زه دلته یوازې یم. I'm alone here. I'm alone here. هغه دروغ نه وایي. He doesn't lie. He doesn't lie. زه تر اوسه ناواده کړی یم. I'm still unmarried. I'm still unmarried.